Okay, today is Sunday morning. I'm gonna go ahead make a curry sauce. You can eat anytime. I show you how to make a lot of curry sauce and put in the refrigerator or freezer. Okay, this one can of this red curry paste right here. The red curry paste right here gonna going down to the pot. So okay, let's go to the pot because this kind the way I make, you can make a business because all you have to do just make the curry sauce and store it in freezer. Okay, this one can going down with hot pepper sauce. It's already in. There's one jar because I can make like 4-5 times cooking here. This bag right here. Okay, 3 cups of sugar. This is for commercial, for you can make business. Okay, 3 cups of sugar. Right, going down. Okay, this chopped lemongrass, they already chopped already. So you put how much you want. This is a half bag right here. So I just throw it down for half bag. See the secret of my curry sauce. You have to put tamarind paste, half cup right here. So I'm gonna throw it down. So half cup right here, throw it down, make it sour. This is fish sauce, 2 cups of fish sauce. Yeah, 2 cups of fish sauce. Okay. Cup of fish sauce, throw it down. Okay, second cup. Okay, second, throw it down. Okay, the sea sauce, half cup. Reason why I do big like that, don't be surprised because this for the business curry sauce, Lao style. Okay, the sea sauce, half cup, throw it down. Okay guys, MSG, if you don't like, you don't have to put, okay, but I put it on here because I like to make the food taste good. So if you don't like it, optional, you don't have to put in. Okay, half cup, throw it down. Now the curry time. The curry, you use India brand curry. This one is very strong, it's good, okay? So half cup of curry. Yeah, I say half cup, but not very half, just less than half because curry, if you don't like curry smell strong, just use a little bit, but this is for business, so I go half cup. Okay, this is turmeric. Anybody know about turmeric? Turmeric is a herb, it's like a medicine. So I'm gonna put it there because it make it nice and curry and yellow and taste good. So I'm put 1 spoon in there. Okay, here come turmeric. Make it nice and yellow. They look like the curry basically they make from that, but they make so much herb. But this one right here just straight out turmeric. Right there. You want to see turmeric plant? I show you. Here my turmeric plant. I plant them. That's what the turmeric come from. Okay. Look at that. It's beautiful and herb. So I plant them, put in a house. Right there. I just want to share with you my turmeric plant. Okay. That's what I just put in the pot a few minutes ago. That's the one. Okay. There's a secret of my curry sauce I make. This is a key lime leaf powder. Okay. I'm gonna show you. This is put how much you want because this is so strong. This herb right here is a herb. It's just very good, like a medicine. Like cook food, like a medicine. I don't see have the name because I take off from the bag and put in the jar. So I will show you the tree. Okay, put 1 spoon because they're so strong. Okay, put 1 spoon, make a curry taste good. Okay, guys, this is a tree. I plant them right here. This is a key lime leaf powder, and they blended the leaf and the fruit all together. So I plant them so every household for the Lao and Asian people, Thai and Lao, they have to have this key lime leaf plant. So you don't have a powder. So I always have the tree leaf, so I can use it in a moment. But this for business, I gotta use the powder, and this is the same thing. So just blend it down, make a powder. I want to share with you. Okay, I want to share. That's the fruit they grow. The fruit right here, key lime leaf. I plant the tree. I just show you the tree. So they grow the fruit. I put in the freezer, and anytime you need to use this right here for me. That's powder. I bought them because I can't afford to have so much like that. So I have to buy from Thailand supply factory. This is one we using from the tree, and we can use the fruit and the leaf and all benefits. This is the herb. Okay, one more ingredient. This is chicken broth powder right here. So what you do, you put this one about 1 spoon, make it taste good. Okay, 1 spoon going down. so it tastes good. I would say 2 spoons. I'm going down 2 spoons. Okay, now I'm gonna add the water. Let them cook. Okay, this is curry sauce. Okay, guys, add the water in here. It's about half gallon. See that? Half gallon gone. Because I want to make like 4 or 5 times. I make for my son. And after that, I show you how to put the freezer, and then you can put in curry chicken that you need right here. So okay, turn on the stove. Let them cook down and taste how you want. Sweet, sour, salty, whatever you want right here. Okay, let them cook. I show you. Come back about 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, let them boil it. Scoop it down. See the salt right here? It's just so easy, guys. Because we live in United States, we live in America. So, you have to prepare like that. When you prepare like that and then put in the freezer, when you want to eat, you have chicken. So whatever you need, just throw the salt down and just soup, and that's it. It's so easy. This is my way. I don't know about anybody else do it, okay? My way, because my son, he loves curry chicken, any kind, wing chicken, wing curry, chicken curry, he loves stuff like that. So I'm trying to just make for him every time, little bit by bit. So what I do, I just come up to make the sauce and let him put in the freezer. And when he need that, he just drop off to his chicken, whatever he need, and then soup it down, ready to eat. So I have show you how he gonna do it. So this is what I make sauce for him right here. Curry sauce is about the herb. Basically, it's a herb cooking for me, but I don't know about anybody cook. I throw down the herb like I showed you already. You see all my herb thrown in here. This is all about herb. The curry chicken is just the best and healthy food I cook. Okay, I'm gonna throw some more herb because I love the herb taste. This is pea lime leaf powder. Alright, I throw some more there. And I love the heat, so I'm gonna go ahead put one spoon of hot chili powder, dry. Because when you cooking food, a little spice. The hot pepper spice is a benefit. It's vitamin C. So don't be afraid to eat hot pepper. Just a little bit of heat right there. Throw it down. So make the food taste good. This is my cooking. Always have the heat in there. Okay, let's taste. It's not boiling yet, but you can taste. I can taste. Just taste. Oh my goodness. This is the curry sauce taste. It's just so good. Okay, it's my style. When I make curry, I have to put coconut milk, guys, but I don't have a whole lot. If I have the 3 cans of it, that would be nice, but that's okay. I got 1 big can and I got 2 small cans. Put coconut milk is to make a good taste. Either way you like. If you don't have to put coconut milk, you fry too. Just cook the way I cook like that, but I'm gonna add on coconut milk. Okay, coconut milk. I'm gonna throw it down in there. Small can. Throw it down in there. 2 small cans, 1 big can. If we have some more, put it on more. But right now, this is what I have right here. Okay, that's okay. But when I cook, I can add on some more. Okay, let's stir. See that? Look, yum. If I have 2 more cans, that's perfect. When I cooking, throw the chicken down there. I don't have to add no more. But I cook this way. When I put chicken in there, so you add more coconut if you want. If you don't want it, everything is just fine, just the way it is right here. Let me taste. Very good. This is what you want. Herb paste, lemongrass, pea lime leaf powder, turmeric, and curry. Woo, that's very good. And tamarind juice put in there. That's the secret of my cooking. Welcome to Crazy with Cooking with Chef Sisou. Today I'm gonna cook curry crab, American crab, guys. Look at that. Look at curry crab. I have right here the shell. Don't throw away the shell because the good part right here. And then Thai basil. And remember my curry sauce I've been cooked early. I'm gonna show you how to cook my curry sauce. Okay. Right. Let's get started. Okay. Okay, the curry sauce gallon right here I make early, so that's why when you make early and then you put it in the freezer. And now I'm gonna throw the sauce in the pot right here. Let's start cooking curry crab. Okay, so easy. Okay, the curry sauce start boiling right now. Just go ahead, get everything down. Alright, let's start. The curry sauce start boiling right now. Alright, let's start. Grab this crab, put in here. See that? So easy when they make the curry gallon. And that's all you have to do. Very easy. Look at that. Oh yes. This is how you do curry crab right here. Oh yes. Okay. Start moving around. Yes. Stirring a little bit. Crab don't cook too long. The most important thing, I already make the sauce. You see that's how they're easy, guys. If you follow me how to make the curry sauce, I got recipe for you too. Let them cook here. Curry crab. Fresh crab. See that? Almost done. The shell right here, the shell is the best one. So throw the shell in there and cook the shell too. Flavor and taste. Yep, don't throw nothing away. Okay, put the lid cover for 5 minutes. Okay. Oh yes, curry crab done. Okay, let's keep stir. Yeah, don't cook too long because cook too long they dry out. So don't cook too long. Is this basil? This basil right here. Put it out. Put it all of them. Yep. Okay, let's keep moving. Cook the vegetable. Here you have it. Done, guys. Easy. You see that? When you're ready, salt ready, cook salt early and put in the freezer, and then when you need some, always pull out. That's ready to eat now. See that? Done. So easy. Yep, ready to eat. Okay. Ooh, my goodness, so good. Turn it off. Turn the stove off. Yep, done. Alright.